Where you going?
Home.
I thought you hated it there.
Change my mind.
Okay, I'll see you tomorrow.
You're just gonna let me go back home?
No, but thought you wanted to.
Yeah. Because you don't love me anymore.
When did I say that?
When you yelled at me for trying to hold your hand in the car.
I didn't yell at you for trying to hold my hand. I yelled at you because you scared a customer off.
You're yelling at me right now!
Because you're being crazy. Where are you going?
I don't know!
My God, fucking headache.
Are you breaking up with me?
What? No. Can we just go back inside, please?